welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. It is garbage o'clock. Kind of a late start today. We had a general meeting for about an hour. Shout outs to Garbage Man 48, WM Recycle Right for Tomorrow, and Jesus, of course. Let's get going. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. So yesterday's route has about 16 tons in it. Today's route 22, 23. So looks like it's gonna be a long day today, especially because after that meeting we had lasted an hour. So not all routes are the same. They were saying that each route should have about 800 cans to collect, 800 or 900. I never count my cans, so I wouldn't know. Go ahead. All I know is that Tuesday's route and Monday's route is day and night difference. I've been having issues with this car up ahead on the alley. They think that the alley is their parking lot. They're doing construction on that house, so I have to honk my way through the alley. Once when I'm coming in, once when I'm coming out. I already collected the other side, so I'm coming back. But on my way in, it took him a long time to move his car. Even though there's parking right there, the house is like right there on that street. They want to park in the alley. I already made the radio call for parking enforcement. So my best bet is to not honk this time, make a left, collect, and hope that parking enforcement comes by and corrects the problem, the ongoing issue that I'm having every week. It appears that the hot dogs got in the car, and now they're being smart and moving the car. There they go. I got the license plates already. Maybe they're going for lunch, because I honestly thought they're not gonna park there anymore, and here I am coming back and they're parked there. So if they're going for lunch, maybe they'll miss a ticket. They come back and park there. I don't know what time parking enforcement is going to come by, but they might find themselves with the ticket. Speaking about parking in the alley, let's see if we could get by. My issue is this low-hanging tree over here. All right, they're moving. Looks like they were just standing by. Here we go, a challenge. Close to the bumper, bag hanging out. Let's try it. Pull forward and bring it down. Plenty of space. Good job. Refueling to be able to finish for the day. I spot the truck that was damaged by the Dodgers parade. They're working on it. It was way worse. Way worse. I don't know what they do to it, but it looks a lot better. They haven't gotten to the natter side. It said Dodgers and whatnot. I don't know. It's on one of my reels. It's a little windy today again. Not as bad as last time. I think it was last week when it was windy. Anyways, we just started November pretty much. Year to date, I am at 113,000 for the year salary. Will I break my record from last year? I think last year I made 120. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. I'm not bragging. Everything is, some of you may know, government jobs, city jobs, they're all public. If you want to know how much my boss makes, you just got to dig. A police officer, firefighter, sanitation garbage truck driver, it's all public. Time to get back on the road. This gauge on my newer recent truck is on this side. I don't know. A challenge. Barely hanging on. Well, it's light, so any little movement can knock it down. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Alright, it stayed on. Wait a minute. Are pillows recyclable? I don't think so. I don't know. Pick it up. Line it up. Pick it up. Don't forget to drop a like. So close to the car. And to each other too. Thanks for leaving some space. If I accidentally push the one that's next to it back, I might hit that car. Luckily these cans are plastic. And that one, hot dog, was my last can. Pull over, put the clamps away. Neutral, parking brake, step off. Lock the cart and the arm. Remember, hot dogs, when you see a garbage truck and you're behind one, as soon as that light turns green, we're flooring it. Just don't expect us to get up to speed for the next 3 to 5 minutes. Super slow. Uh-oh, I think I ran out of fuel. Just kidding, that gauge doesn't work at times. LA Danny out. That's right, it gets made in Mexicali, then it's transported to the States, to the Peterbilt company or whatever. Then they send it to AmRep to get all this done. Peterbilt just sends the chassis to AmRep. Then AmRep does all the other stuff. Here's my truck. I think it needs welding. I think these yellow marks are what's needed. I don't see any hydraulic leak at the moment, but I think it is leaking hydraulic. Maybe because it's not in, hasn't been in use, it hasn't leaked overnight. But my truck is still on hold. Here's what it looks like when it's on hold. Hold on. Right there. See that? It smells nice in there. It should be leaking hydraulic oil overnight, so hopefully maybe it was something else and it's not what I thought it was, the Packer cylinders. But I don't know. Anyways, it smells nice because my air freshener's in here. See that? Going to waste. I wrote up LA Prime because I seen some reddish stains on the ground in the pre-trip. It is a little low on coolant. Not too bad. I thought it was power steering or transmission. I don't know what it was, but I'm gonna write it up, see if they could see anything, because I don't see anything right now. That was in the morning.